Hello, welcome to this video, and today I'll show you how to perform cropping with the Imalytics Preclinical software. So I have a dataset here from a micro-CT where 4 mice were scanned. You can load this dataset here through the tutorials button, here cropping. And so this dataset is 4 mice, and they got a contrast agent that enhances the liver and the spleen, and tumors stay dark, and these mice have tumors, and now you can see the tumors here. You can zoom in. There you have a liver tumor, for example, that is darker than the surrounding liver. Here we have the 3D view also, and you can see we have the 4 mice here. So typically now this dataset needs to be cropped into 4 smaller datasets for better sorting and data arrangement, and I'll show you how we can do this with the software. So the easiest way to do this is with this cropping mouse action. You can select it, and then you can, in the slice view, simply surround what you want to keep here. This mouse, for example, and it's cropping it. It's also cropping the segmentation. It's also cropping an overlay like a pet dataset if you have it. And you can configure that by simply hiding things. So if you hide the segmentation or the overlay, it will not get cropped as well. And now you have the cropped file, and you can inspect the size here. It's smaller than before, and you can just save it here somewhere in one of many file formats for further processing. Then you can press undo. You get back your large data set, and you can crop the next mouse here, and then save it, and you can see now the segmentation has also been cropped, so the spleen is gone now. Then undo and do the next one. Yeah, and you can also crop in 3D, so this mouse mode also works in 3D, so you can just surround it here, this mouse, and you will get this region cropped. You can undo, or let's crop this one here. And it's important to align it well, so if you have a strange alignment like this here and you want to crop it, it doesn't really work that well. It's because it's computing the bounding box, and that works best if you kind of align it with the voxel grid, like this or like this. Okay, so you can also crop multiple times, so you can crop this, for example. Then if you just want the lung here or the liver region, let's just crop for the lung, you can do this and you get it further cropped. You can undo, go back to get your full data set back. So this is just these are just a few ways to perform cropping. What you can also do is here under edit, there are a few other ways. You can crop by setting the start point and the dimension, if you want to do that. Or you can crop for a class here, for the spleen, for example. You can crop to the input class. Now you have a small data set here. Let's undo that. Or you can also crop to the scribbles. It's also a nice way, so you can use these scribbles here, the scribble mouse mode, and delineate a region here in multiple slices. And you can also then preview what you get by showing the bounding box, and that is like a preview that you get when you perform this cropping here, crop to scribbles. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you, and bye bye.